welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's going to be a bit of a university day in the life vlog. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a very long time and I just really miss bringing you along my day, taking you along like work, food. Is there anything else I get up to in a day of the life? Basically just what I get up to in a day in the life in lockdown at uni. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. I really hope you enjoy it. So I'd definitely love if you would stick around and subscribe, and let's just get on with the video. So as you would have seen by the kind of beginning bit, hopefully that was like an aesthetic, like music over kind of vibe. I've already had breakfast, I've like had a shower, washed my hair, dried my hair, and I've done my first call of the day. I was literally just sat in bed on like a little live lecture thing. So yeah, that is done. I've done a call, I've done a live lecture, and now I've literally just got ready for the day, and here we are in present moment. So what I'm doing at the minute is I'm using my planner, which I'm actually using the Legend planner at the minute, and I absolutely love this. Like, I've been putting this on my Instagram if you follow me over there, which is just georgialaurenbirch as well. You probably would have seen that I've been using this planner and it's just so good. So for the week, you literally have like your days of the week down here. This is a really busy week, let's just ignore how much stuff is down there. Then over here we've got main goal, habit tracker, so you can like track all the habits you want to track, personal to-do list, work to-do list, and then here is like a little bit of an empty space. So I've literally just done like my budget for the week, and then like ideas for YouTube videos, TikTok, all of that. So yeah, then here you've got this week wins and how I'll improve next week. But in the back I've basically just put like my lecture schedule. This is really washed out, but I put like my lecture schedule for all the lectures and all the live things for each module at the back. And then at the very front of like the empty bit, I'm doing like daily gratitude. Every single day I try and do 3 things I'm grateful for, what would make today great, and then just kind of like a little bit of manifestation. So like, I'm so grateful this has happened, even if it hasn't happened yet, kind of speaking about it like that. So yeah, that is what I've been doing this morning, basically just planning in this. I think now we are going to go and have lunch. It's actually like halfway, well, it's 12:40 and for me that's late for lunch, so I'm going to go make lunch. I'll obviously bring you along with me. Then the plan for the rest of the day is I've got, what else do I even have to do today? I have to finish off 2 lectures and do another Q&A. Then at 5 o'clock I'm going to go on a walk, and then we're going to make a HelloFresh dinner. So yeah, that is the plan today. So this looks really weird, but if you like crack your egg into some cling film and then put it in the pan, you literally get the perfect poached eggs, and they come out. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to have this with some toast. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, so this is what they look like. How good do these look? I'm actually so impressed myself, I'm not going to lie. We are going to start some work, so I'm going to light my candle. This one is, let me just up the brightness, there we go. This one's literally from Primark and it's the clean cotton. I just really like this, and it's also just absolutely massive, so it lasts just ages. I'm just going to light that. I've got the diffuser on. This is my, oh you can see me, this is my new little print from Desenio. It's so cute. It's in like a little wooden frame. I never knew they did wooden frames, I just never really looked, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I've got that. I'm going to show you all the other Desenio prints in a vlog coming very soon, so I'll show you all the other things I picked out. But yeah, this is the work setup. I'm going to do some work for a couple of hours. So I'm now doing a little Q&A. So I've crossed off some of the things on my list. This is literally so messy, so just ignore that, but there was just so much to do. So yeah, I mean, I have done some of the tasks. I've literally got 1 more left for today, so I'm meant to do 3 things. I'm on my last one. I've ticked it off just because I'm basically almost there. So then I will have done all my 3 things. It's nearly 4 o'clock, so I'll probably be done by like 4:30, and then I have my walk at 5. So it's been a productive day so far. So I've literally just got a FaceTime with my mum. I didn't really vlog that much because even though I've done YouTube for like a little bit now, she is still, like, it's fine when I'm with her, but I feel like when I'm on FaceTime, like even if someone was like, speak to the camera, if I was on FaceTime, I'd be like, oh god, what do I say? So yeah, I didn't really vlog that too much, but yeah, it was nice to have just a little catch up with her after I finished all my work, because I haven't really had the most productive start to the term. Like, my exams finished on the day term 2 started, so I mean, I did take like a week off because I just needed it. I feel like if your body needs a break, just take that break. So yeah, I'm just catching up now. I've basically just divided everything I've got to do, like how many tasks I've got by the days, so that then I'll definitely get all caught up and I won't be like really behind. So yeah, that is what I've been doing today. Like, I basically did that last night. I planned every single day out so that hopefully by the weekend I'll be all caught up and I won't be stressed out. So yeah, I was thinking as well I'm going to do a vlog this weekend as well, because this uni vlog is more of like a day in my life during like work all day, and the one at the weekend will kind of be a bit more of a balance and not just constant work. So yeah, I also want to do like a little bit of a room transformation. I'm kind of going for a bit more spring vibes. So yeah, that will be in next week's vlog, which will actually be up on Tuesday rather than Thursday. So yeah, stick around and subscribe if you don't want to miss Tuesday's vlog, which will be like a uni vlog, uni weekend vlog, and showing you all my kind of room plans and like room transformation. So yeah, so this is my little mirror. I tried to bring my whole like big fat mirror from home, and yeah, it just wouldn't fit in the car. So this is the mirror we're dealing with. It's a little round mirror. The out for the day is what I basically came to the mirror to show you. Also, that noise is the wind. Like genuinely, that's the noise the wind makes. Isn't that just ridiculous? All night, all day. Brilliant. But yeah, this is the outfit. This jumper is from Assistant Seekers. It says Get Over It and by Chanel, which, I mean, I wish we had the money for that. I've got these PLT white joggers, and then I'm literally just going to pop on my Zara coat and I'm off on the walk now. So yeah, I will speak to you when I get back. So I just got back from the walk and wanted to show you these because how cute are they? I've wanted some little baby candles for literally so long. Baby candles, cloud candles is what I meant, since I saw them on Chinzia's Instagram. But there's like a big one, a medium sized one and a little baby one, and they're literally just too cute. I'll put the Instagram brand on screen. It's called August Rain, and yeah, the packaging was really cute. The candles smell amazing. So yeah, it's just in my room next to my little February glossy box. It's a little cute setup here. So I've just finished dinner. It was literally so nice. I'd give that one like a 9 out of 10. First one I had was, it was like burgers. I'd give that one a 10 out of 10. Second one I had was wraps. Probably give that one like a 7. Give that one like a 9 out of 10. It was really, really good. Would recommend. That one was the chorizo and like Mediterranean pasta. It was literally so good. So I've just had dinner, like I said, and now I'm gonna go make some oat cookies. I made these like, I think I made them like a week ago, and they were literally so nice. So I'll put the recipe probably down below, and I'll just take you along with me. We're gonna make some now. Chocolate oat cookies, because I'm trying to be like healthy at the minute, so I feel like this is like an alternative to unhealthy stuff, you know? So that is the plan now. So just making oat cookies, like I said, following this TikTok recipe. Wait, hang on. We're just following it along, although we're half in it. So far we've done butter, sugar. I'll update you on the rest. Wow, I love your nail varnish. So beautiful. Here we go. It's got the egg in, baking powder, flour. I think we're nearly done then, just oats and chocolate really. We just added the oats and the chocolate and they're literally done, so we're just gonna put them on the tray. And there you go. Here they are. I can't believe that's made 20. That's actually crazy. Here they are. I'll show you when they come out. So they're a bit funny shape because they were like stuck to the pan, but this how they turned out. They literally taste so nice. So I've literally just got upstairs to my room. I think I'm just gonna have a chilled evening now. I think I'm gonna watch a little bit of Married at First Sight Australia. I honestly am obsessed with that. Like I literally watch it every day, and I just honestly love it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna put a candle on. I'm just gonna put the same one on from earlier, and then like sit down, chill. Gonna watch a bit of that. I actually have to edit this video to go up tomorrow, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And I'm gonna use, I've actually got this thing which I've been using recently, which I'm really excited about. It's by Glow on Fifth Beauty. It's like a facial massage tool. I don't know if you've seen the TikToks where you kind of do it on this part of your face, and it's meant to make you like really chiseled. So I mean, next vlog, come back and hope for like a more chiseled appearance, because yeah, that was in my glossy box. I think I showed you this earlier. Look at this, it's so cute. I actually love how this month's box looked. Like I've just put it on the side of my uni room, and it's matching the kind of like colourful vibe I'm going for. I was going to give you a sneak peek of the Desenio prints, but I won't because I've already shown you this one. If you can dream it, you can do it. It's cute for my desk. But yeah, you'll see all the next ones in my vlog on Tuesday, which like I said, I'm going to do another university vlog then. Yeah, this came in this month's glossy box, and I'm going to put on tonight. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask, because I realised this came, I think it either came in a glossy box or a Look Fantastic box, and I literally hadn't used it, and then I saw loads of people raving about it on TikTok. I used it the other night with this face massage, like put all the glow things on, like kind of like massaged it all in. And honestly, I felt like I was in like a spa. It was so nice. Candles on, massaging my face. Like, it was just so good. So yeah, that is the plan this evening. That's what I'm going to do. Or do I do a face mask? I'm going to miss these face masks. This is the ones from Primark that are like 80p. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll probably have known. In every single Primark haul I ever do, I just buy a few of these to keep me run over. I literally nearly ran out. Like, lockdown, please finish soon. But yeah, you know what I'm thinking? I'm going to do some more hauls coming up very, very soon as well, because I'm thinking at June 21st, we're going to need some more outfits. So that is the plan. I'm just going to end this vlog here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I feel like it was a bit boring, so I didn't really get up too much, but I feel like with these lockdown vlogs, you all seem to really enjoy them when I do them. So hopefully you did enjoy it. Definitely let me know if there's anything more that you want to see in these daily vlogs. Like if there's anything specific you want to see that I haven't shown, then just let me know, because I can definitely incorporate it. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going to light the candle. Gonna chill now, watch Married at First Sight Australia, edit this video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.